Welcome to Chapter 14, Lesson 6. Today we'll also be using our protractor. You have used a protractor to measure angles. A protractor can also be used to draw angles of a given measure. Example 1. A traffic sign shows a 80-degree angle. Draw an 80-degree angle. So this is how you do it. First, you draw one ray of the angle. Okay, so I'm going to do that by drawing one ray. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to pick my endpoint. So zoom in here so you can see. So first thing I'll do is draw my point. Hold that protractor steady. Okay, and then what's it say to do? Measure the angle. Okay, well, there's a little bit more to it than that. Okay, so now I like to make sure that you're really getting it in the center of that point there. Okay, now hold it down steady, okay? Don't let it get loose. Right, there's my first ray. Right, so it said, mark the endpoint and draw a ray. Okay, now I can measure the angle. Place the protractor along the ray as you would to measure an angle. On the protractor, find 80 and make a pencil mark. Okay, so these tick lines, remember I gotta line it up with this one. I'll zoom in as close as I can so you can see. Okay, this would be off. See how that's off? This would be off. It's got to be right in the circle, and it's going to be perfect so that line disappears. Look, you can't even see it. Okay, now you got to hold it steady, okay? Don't let it go. Now we're doing 80. So we're starting over here. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark my little mark right here. It's my 80, okay? And then, what do? Use a ruler, but you can use the bottom here, to draw a ray that connects the endpoint and the pencil mark. Okay. Zoom in. Get my pen right in the middle there. And here we go. And don't forget, you've got to label it as a ray by having the arrows. And then generally we name it, right? We could do like, this could be A, this could be C, and this could be B. And then we would draw it like angle A, B, because it always A is in the middle. The vertex, this is called the vertex, is always in the middle. B, A, C. This is our angle sign. Okay. All right. Draw an angle that is greater than 10 and less than 30. Okay, so let's pick 20 because that's really easy. Measure and classify the angle. Classify means, is it acute or obtuse, or is it a 90-degree perpendicular angle? And acute, it would be acute because it's less than 90. It's small. It's a cute little angle. And here we have, I've already started it for us, but okay, so I would start by making my point. Okay. Make a point, make a point, make a point, make a point with my pen. See that? Okay. Now I'm going to draw a ray. Okay, so just line that up straight. Draw the ray. Alright. Remember, a ray goes on forever, so you need those arrows. And now we're going to do 20. So I'm going to line it up. Remember, this has to be lined up perfectly. Okay. Right? So it can't be off. It has to be right perfect. Okay? And now I'm trying to make it 20 degrees. 20. So 0 here, 0, 10, 20. So get as close as you can. And I'm going to make my little mark right on that 20 line. And then put my pen here. Don't move your pen, so hold it strong. Make sure it's touching. Okay, this isn't quite. Got to get it right on that little dot. And then draw it out. Right? So it goes through my point. It had a beginning. Now let's just check it, because it's always good to check our work. So line things up, make sure it goes to the 20. And sure enough, it goes right through our 20 line mark, just as it should. Look, ooh, I had it off a little. Do you see that? Right when I moved in, it went perfectly. Look, ooh, perfect. It's because if this hashtag is a little, I don't know why I keep calling it hashtag. It's really tick mark. If that's not perfect, it'll mess you up. But see how it's nice and perfect through the 20. So the angle drawn is 20 degrees and is a cute angle. Cute little angle. Okay, see you in class.